In this episode of Woodlands on the Web, we're going to learn how to book an appointment on a Google Calendar appointment calendar. Assuming you've got a correct calendar link from whoever's calendar you're trying to book an appointment with, when you enter that into a web browser, it is going to prompt you to sign in using your Google credentials. I'm going to sign in with my educator account that's not the Wake County one, just so that you can see how I would access a Wake County calendar. Okay, so this is my appointment calendar. So any of these buttons that are gray, I can click on and book an appointment with myself, technically. So if you're interested in doing that, you just pick the time slot that you want, click on it there. It's going to automatically have the event for you and you save it. And then it will show up in your own Google Calendar. So if you go to your own Google Calendar, so this is my personal account again, this is going to show that I have an appointment scheduled for Tuesday at 1:30. All that's left to do after that is go to the calendar at the appointment time that you designated, and there are a couple different options. For my office hours Google Meets, I use the same nickname every time, so you just type in the nickname. But if it's someone else's like one-time kind of appointment, there might be a Google Meet link right in the calendar link. But either way, it should be pretty straightforward from that point. The most important thing is that you booked the appointment and that you show up for the appointment. And that's it for potentially the shortest episode of Woodlands on the Web. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.